Hi guys, Adrienne Green, Realtor with Sampson Properties, and I'm here with this stack of paper products behind me because I'm in the owner storage area of my investment property beach house. It's a short-term rental in Myrtle Beach, Mermaid's Dream, and I want to talk to you guys about what is really important to do if you have a short-term rental. A really simple little thing that I did not do before and I do now, and it makes life better. And that is, before you leave your investment property that is non-local, right? Something that you go to periodically to fix up, improve, check on, etc. It's an investment property you have, it's a short-term rental, and you don't live around the corner from it, okay? What do you need to do to make life easier? And this is super simple, but I didn't do it for a long time. You need to do a couple lists and take some pictures. So here in the supply closet, we have all of not only our supplies for guests to use, like toilet paper and paper towels, and we just buy a bunch and store it here because we have the space, and then the cleaners can replenish as needed. If we didn't have the space, then the cleaners could of course buy it, or we could buy it online and have it shipped to the house or to the cleaners. But we find it's easier to just stockpile when we come down here a few times a year. And then the great thing about having your own property that you can use periodically when you go down to fix it and check on it is that you can have the storage and you can just keep some stuff down here. So I'm going to kind of show you what we have in here, but what I do to remember what I have down here is, first I make a list of what I have on hand, and second I make a list of what I need to buy or bring next time I come down here. So I do that while I am at the investment property so that I know what I have when I'm packing next time and what I need to either buy or bring with me next time. These can be things like, for example, I did a little bit of the oven cleaning while we were down here, but it really needs a more in-depth oven cleaning next time I'm here. So I put on my list to buy or bring some oven cleaner next time. But then some things we have down here, and I'll show you, is we keep like shampoo down here. We keep shampoo down here, we keep beach stuff down here, so that we're not carting it back and forth every time. But I need to have it on a list, or in a few months time when it comes down to check on everything again, I forget that I had it here. So I'm going to kind of show you around the storeroom or the owner's closet here and talk about what we keep on hand, and think about what you would want to store in your own investment property so you don't have to cart it there every time you stay, and what you would want to buy to replenish as needed.